Hey folks, Colin from Aitum here. In today's import video, we're going to set up a very simple to use giveaway rule. This rule will allow your chat to enter a giveaway using a chat message, and then Aitum will be able to pick any entry at random by posting back a message in chat as the broadcaster to reveal the winner. First of all, you'll want to head across to aitum.tv/imports. Scroll on down and then hit the download button next to the giveaway item. And finally, download it from the Google Drive. Next, it's time to load up Aitum. Inside the app, you'll want to head to the rules section and then click on Import Export on the top right. Select Import and then locate the file that we have just downloaded by either dragging or dropping it or selecting it within the browser. Inside the wizard, the only thing you'll actually have to do is set up your command for the giveaway. For example, !enter. Now when a user sends this message in chat, they will be automatically added to the list. In order to toggle the giveaway, you then want to run the rule for the giveaway. You can do this by simply pressing the play button next to the rule. If you want to add a trigger for your own benefit, for example like a chat command by a mod or by you, the broadcaster, you can do so. To clear the list, you just have to run the clear giveaway list rule. And it's as easy as that. Now you don't need to rely on any spinning wheels or complicated dashboards in order to run a giveaway on your stream. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any issues with it or in fact have made something very cool with Aitum to show us, follow our Twitter or join the Discord. Links to both will be in the description down below.